morning, welcome to CurrencyChange Daily Markets Update on the Tuesday 19th of November 2013. My name is Laurent Guilbault, Managing Director at CurrencyChange.com, your local solution for international payments. The key event of the day will be the Euro Zoo survey released this morning at 10 o'clock as a leading indicator. In the US dollar remained stable yesterday with no major statistics released and before Bernanke's speech tonight. Bernanke's speech could have no impact on the market. The market expects no tapering until March next year for the time being. A failure to rule out a December tapering may well be seen as US dollar positive. The Treasury market in the US fell to a near record low on speculation the Fed President, Mr. Bernanke, would give support to the case for maintaining bond purchasing in his speech. The pound remained near a 3-week high against the US dollar, as speculation the Fed will decide to maintain the level of its monthly asset purchases for the time being, continuing to weigh on the greenback as we call it. In Europe, European new car sales rose for 2 consecutive months for the first time since 2011. Remember, good leading sign when car sales are going up. As a cash for clunkers program in Spain and a regional economic recovery spurred consumers to purchase vehicles. The German Zoo index, released this morning, offers some chance of euro volatility, but there is few wishes because Eurozone growth surprise was quite weak for Q3. There seems to be no real chance for euro-dollar movement being triggered only by US news tonight. ECB officials continue to favor the case for more easing. The downside from this risk seems quite limited for the moment, and without weaker Eurozone data, the recent low seems unlikely to be tested unless the prospect of US tapering will be advanced to December. In the UK, one key point, sterling currently stable around the 161 level versus the dollar, as some of the base for currencies are set to rise, with all sectors of the economy growing, employment increasing and the housing market improving. The pound remains stable though since yesterday, as investors are currently waiting for the publication of the minutes from the Bank of England, most recent meeting at which officials held interest rate at a record low as expected. Sterling slightly fell versus euro yesterday. This relates to a couple of soft UK data, including the house prices which were negative, and weaker retail sales data last week, but there is no real reason to impact the strength of the UK recovery in terms of micro view. So there should be more potential for sterling dollar to go up depending on the Bernanke testimony on tonight. In terms of live exchange rate, we're currently trading on sterling dollar 161.06 minus 0.2%, sterling euro 116.20, sterling CAD 167.98, sterling Australian dollar 170.99, sterling New Zealand dollar 192.98. Economic agenda for the day: 10 o'clock UK time, the Euro Zoo survey, economic sentiment expected at 54. Current situation expected at 31, and then we will have the speech of Mr. Bernanke tonight. If you require further information, please visit now CurrencyChange.com, or you can open an account for free with us on the website with no obligation to exchange through us, or you can call us on +44 027373 2686. Have a nice day.